Looking for unique flowering trees to spruce up your yard? Well, you're in for a treat. This video is your gateway to discovering trees that are not just beautiful, but also unique. Get ready to transform your garden into a magical paradise with these unique flowering trees. Why settle for the ordinary when you can have the extraordinary? The beauty of unique flowering trees lies in their ability to transform any garden into a magical landscape. Their vibrant blossoms and distinctive shapes add grace and character, creating an enchanting visual feast. Take, for instance, the cherry blossom tree, with its flurry of delicate pink flowers, or the dogwood tree, known for its star-shaped blooms. Each tree is a masterpiece in its own right. Imagine a garden that stands out thanks to these unique flowering trees. Aside from their beauty, these unique flowering trees have a lot more to offer. They serve as a magnet for pollinators, increasing the biodiversity of your yard. They provide shade, creating a cool haven during those hot summer days. Additionally, they improve air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. And here's a bonus. These trees can even enhance the value of your property. So not only do they delight the senses, they're also beneficial in multiple ways. Who knew that these beautiful trees could also deliver such impressive benefits? Ready to choose your unique flowering tree? Let's consider a few things. The size of your yard is crucial, as some trees need room to spread their roots and branches. Your local climate matters too, as different trees thrive in different conditions. Lastly, consider the maintenance needs of the tree. Some trees require more care and attention than others. Research is key before making a decision. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to choose the perfect unique flowering tree for your yard. Transforming your yard into a stunning display of unique flowering trees is now within your reach. Let's not forget their beauty, the benefits they bring, and the importance of choosing the right tree. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!